Hello friends, I am Vinod Kenny. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Vinod Kenny TV repair number 1. In India, indicator light appears to be normal. Today's video is about LG LCD TV model number 42LD460. In this TV problem is no picture, no backlight, no sound. T-Con DC to DC IC is located in motherboard itself. No separate T-Con is used in this TV. All voltages in power supply and motherboard appears to be normal, but no T-Con and backlight control are produced. Microcontroller IC dry solder is normal in this TV. Now I am going to remove microcontroller IC from this motherboard with the help of BGA machine. I will now make new balls on this processor. For this to happen, I need to clean old balls from this IC. I am fixing IC in this stencil. Holes on the stencil should match with IC ball area. Now I am applying 183° solder paste on the stencil evenly. After heating with 350°, this paste will convert into balls. Now the re-balling is done successfully. Mission is accomplished. Enjoy. Now let's power on the TV and see all panel supply are okay or not. Hey, panel supply are now produced. This is 8V HVDD supply. This is 24V VGH supply. This is 12V DC to DC IC input voltage. This is 16V AVDD supply. This is 3.3V VCC supply. This is -5.3V VGL supply. To fix the heatsink on the IC I am using Fevikwik. Now the TV is working nicely. Mission is now accomplished. Subscribe my channel to get latest update on TV repair. Thank you for watching. See you all in next video. You can also call me for TV repair in Ahmedabad on the given number. Send motherboard for repair to given address by courier.